Hello YouTube world, we're back for another vlog episode. Yeah, we are just after Christmas, 2 days after Christmas, whatever that is. Hope you've all had a wonderful Christmas, all eating lots, which I'm sure you all have. Yeah, we're back to the grind. I mean, the grind hasn't really stopped. We've been flat out riding over Christmas, trying to get ready for Super Enduro on the 4th in Germany, which I'm really looking forward to. A little bit of a baptism of fire after the last one. Yeah, I just needed more bike time, loads of different things, but loving every step of the process currently. So we've built a little bit of a Super Enduro track at home, which a little bit of a sneak peek here now. So yeah, we've been building that over the last few weeks, just trying to get the intensity up on a sort of small track. I know it's not the same as the arenas, but yeah, either way, today we're going to do some hard enduro riding. I've got a new chin mount which filmer Esmeralda got me for Christmas. Santa Claus brought me. And yeah, I'm going to try that out today, my little hard enduro loop, and then tomorrow we're going to go ride the Super Enduro track at home. So yeah, let's get the GoPro on, let's do a bit of riding. The weapon's a bit dirty. What are you doing, Fred? What you got to say to the vlog?
Hello.
You say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And they got to watch the ads as well, haven't they?
Yeah.
Watch the ads. You're good with that shovel. Stuck my GoPro on, I've done my warm-up laps, and now I'm going to do some proper laps. I'm going to do a 10 lapper and yeah, see how much pushing I can do. So this is the start of a loop. 5. I nearly killed myself there the other day. Rap. Spinnings. He's cleaned it. Jumped. Nice little rut here now. Wheelie Wednesday. What? I nearly had a crash. Oh, I've done that nice. quite the cleaning it. Straight away no. She's slippy. She's definitely warm. And I'm definitely, God, my hair's bad. I'm definitely even warmer. I don't know, it's weird with hard enduro. What I found is like I'm learning so much every day, but like just then I just got stuck. And you can just lose so much time and so much energy as soon as you get stuck. Whereas normally the loop is like, I don't know what it is, 2.5 or 3 minutes long. It's not a very long loop, it's a small area here. But as soon as you get stuck, it costs you so much time and energy. And then obviously you're risking the bike overheating because you've given it some as well. There's so many things. There's just, yeah, so much learning. But I'm loving it. And it's just so different to trials. Everyone says like, oh yeah, it's just like trials, isn't it? Well, yeah, there's certain aspects which are similar to trials. But most of the time it's completely different. Like I've never sat down and grunted it up a hill like that. Especially when you start getting stuck. That's when you start getting annoyed, start burning energy and so on. So, but it's all in a day's work. Very enjoyable ride out. Burn off some Christmas pud, even though I don't like Christmas pud. Don't know what other pudding I have, but yeah. Very enjoyable. Let's go do some more laps. That little new bit in there I'm seeing. Yeah, I reckon I'd go around there. What do you reckon? Around and up? Right, let's have a go with it. I feel like this is going to be slippy. Oh, that's the hop in there. Oh my god. Right, let's do the loop. So, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed my hard enduro session yesterday. I am just driving into the hometown, St Agnes, back in Cornwall to do a little bit of super enduro and to show you the elusive track, which I spoke to Papa Timmy this morning and he's finished it off. So, yeah, it should be interesting. I'm excited to see it. Unfortunately, we've had a bit of rain, so it's going to be slippy, but yeah, let's get home. Let's get that new chin mount GoPro on because I'm quite rating that view and do some lappies. Big up the St Agnes. Your fuel is off. Right, we're back in the sections. I've just done a moto. I just wanted to get used to the track and stuff before I show you guys, just so it wasn't a complete disaster. And it rides really good. Had one crash, bit sketchy, but yeah, let's have a look. So this is like one of the corners we go in and into and around. See if we can get up on here. So we've got the matrix section here, through there, turn, up onto the bank here, down the other side, up onto the top, straight across, well slippy there, down, drop down, and then, where do we go then? No, yeah, down, straight across, and then around the corner, around the other side there's some doubles, which, let's go have a look at, the steed, and then yeah, we've got some little doubles through on the rock, rub, and then around, back around, and then in, back in and join up. It's about 25 seconds. So look at this little Burmy, look, it's so slippy because my tyre is bold. Look at that. Look at the boldness on it. But yeah, very enjoyable. Good to get the intensity up and try not to crash as much as possible, because did a fair bit of that super enduro. So yeah, I reckon if we keep that out, we'll be all right. Let's get the GoPro on and do a little lap. So we're signing off for the day. It's been really good, really happy with the track, and yeah, quite happy with my riding as well. Done 2 motos, and then unfortunately it's so dark out here now, I can't ride. I mean, I'm just going to end up, I'm dangerous enough as it is, but in this weather, very dangerous, it's bad. But yeah, been a very enjoyable day. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in Germany for round 2 Super Enduro.